It's time to check in with Santa Barbara County Public Health and get an update on the pandemic here at home. Vondo Reynoso is the Director of Public Health here in Santa Barbara County, and she joins us with an update. Hi, Vaughn. Thanks for doing this. Let's start with vaccines. How are you increasing availability across the county?
Good morning, Joe. We are increasing vaccine opportunities this week, actually. Today, we are opening up appointments for our vaccine clinic in Lompoc starting this Sunday. We will have a daily mass vaccination clinic running from 9:30 in the morning to 6:30 in the evening. And there are over 1,300 appointments every day. And so by the end of the week, we hope to offer over 9,000 appointments alone in the mid-county communities.
And then that's going to move every 7 days or so. You're going to be in different communities. Is that correct?
That is correct. I want to really encourage everyone who is eligible to go onto our website, that is publichealthsbc.org, to register for an appointment or call 211, press the number 4, and someone will be glad to make you an appointment.
Now,
hey, Joe,
right now, yeah, go ahead.
Can I share some great news with you?
Sure, please.
All right, so this is a scoop. We anticipate that the governor will soon make an announcement, possibly today, possibly at noon, that 50 people over the age of 50 will be eligible come April 1st to be vaccinated. And beginning April 15th, that would extend to 16 and above. So this is really, truly wonderful news for families.
So we're expecting this to start next month. That really is great news. When it comes to getting an appointment, still a lot of this, if you haven't had the concert ticket buying experience, if you're my age or maybe a little bit younger, you have played the game where you're trying to get concert tickets at a certain time, and that's what it has been like to get a vaccine. Is it going to get easier with more vaccine doses that are coming? And if you get the doses, are you ready to give them out? Do you have the people needed to do it to ramp up as much as possible?
Yes. So until now, it has been like getting the Hamilton tickets or a concert ticket, right? But I am anticipating that to change. Again, we are having these mass vaccination clinics throughout our county. And this is in addition to everything that we are currently doing. So vaccine appointments are still available at local pharmacies, at the hospitals, and our healthcare centers and providers throughout the county. So this is really on top of everything that you are currently seeing.
So when you get the doses, you'll be able to give them out. It's not that you're holding doses because you can't do it, right?
That is correct. So we are ramping up with this infusion, this increase in allocation. We've reached out to the state. The state is sending over 80 people to support our efforts. We so appreciate our fire partners are assisting us, as well as community partners and volunteers. The rest of the county departments are sending staff so that we all can really put the shots into the arms as quickly as we can and when the vaccine is available.
Wonderful. Now, it's also spring break time. We have the International Film Festival, which is starting up next week. Are you concerned about these events possibly spreading COVID?
I am actually quite worried, quite anxious, because I'm seeing it in Florida. I'm sure you have too. I'm seeing it in other places. And with spring break, with our beautiful weather, our beautiful environment, I am worried that we will get increase in visitors and increase in spring break activities. So this is where I really want to encourage all of our community members to continue their practice of safety guidelines. Make sure you are physically distanced from others outside your household. Please don't forget to wear your face covering and practice good hygiene. When you gather with others, keep it short, keep it quick, and keep it outside.
Where do we stand right now? We just got into the red tier about a week ago or so. Things could move quickly, though, if good numbers continue to go into the orange tier. Where do we stand in that front?
So we are at the cusp of if we can continue the downward trend in cases and in our testing positivity, we can foreseeably be eligible to be the first week in the orange tier next week, but only if we are continuing our due diligence in decreasing case rates.
All right, a great update there from Vondo Reynoso. She is the Director of Santa Barbara County Public Health. Thanks for these 5 good minutes. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Joe.